immediate right now, we would like to collect about 1.7 million bags. But right now we have only collected 186,000 bags. But we are looking for 1.7 million bags. What does that mean? It means that somebody somewhere is keeping maize, anagojea asikie drought imeenda baya zaidi, ndio pengine bei iende hapo juu kidogo. But we can't take that risk as a country. I would like to appeal to those people who are holding maize, farmers who are keeping maize, to bring maize to us in the next 30 days. After 1 month, if we don't have enough strategic reserves for the country, we will then move to the next stage, which is importing duty-free maize to allow for the country to have enough maize in the event of a drought.